A 3D printer is a machine capable of making replicas of 3D design, creating volumetric parts of models from a computer made design. They arise with the idea of converting 2D files into real or 3D prototypes. Commonly, it has been used in the prefabrication of part of components in sectors such as architecture and industrial design. Currently, its use is spreading in the manufacture of all kinds of objects. CAD's model, complicated parts, food, medicals, prostheses, since 3D printing allows each manufactured part to be adapted to the exact characteristic of each patient.
3D printing has enormous potential in multiple areas such as medicine, construction, the automotive industry, industrial design, or in the manufacture of all kinds of parts.
A 3D printer is a device capable of creating three-dimensional solid physical bodies by depositing materials layered in one of each other. Normally, this material is isolate, plastic or ABC thermoplastic, but some 3D printers also use material such as metal, resin, or photopolymers. The cause is fear due to the temperature they must achieve to melt the materials.
Three D printing allow teacher to introduce students to digital manufacturing, providence and the bonus in education. Science and creative research become creator of product. Con knowledge, all these through at the methodologies based on problem solving or project creation, where students are the center of the teaching learning process.
Takes 3D partings. I am to be more on Davis in 5 years. Week together with tablets projects will form part of essential furtherance in the classroom of any educational center.